Okay, on closer examination, this is plywood. You can see it right here and right there. So it is plywood, so it will hold a screw pretty good. So what I did was I decided then to put a board here. That way I could screw into it from the side and screw into the face. Just make sure you don't come out the front. And then that took care of that, so that made the good and solid. This one, I decided to remove the back ones too. They were those plastic connectors. And I removed them and put this one on here. So just so happens I grabbed cherry, but it really didn't matter to me what species I grabbed, as long as it's hardwood. And you're not going to see this anyways, and you're really not going to see this either, but it just makes the drawer stronger. So it should withstand a lot more use now. And the other ones did last for quite a while. It's been 30 years. Now we had to be careful for the last 10 or so, even 15. We knew it was going to break eventually. You know, it was kind of loose, you could tell. You had to be more careful with it. But so it wasn't like it fell apart right away. And now it should hold for a long time. I had other ideas. If this was particle board, I thought about putting a facer on here because there is 1/8 of an inch here. Play. I could have put a facer there. I could have put a facer all the way around the inside. This is plywood here too. It's like 1/8 inch, but that's fine. You know, it's not like it's not with, you know, silverware is pretty heavy, but that's about the heaviest putting in the drawers. So as long as these runners are good and we can put it back in, we should be good to go. Now I think I should go through and do all the other kitchen drawers too. I know there's a couple others that are loose. So that'll be a side project. Every once in a while, grab one and do it. Okay. I've done a lot to these kitchen cabinets. I think I've done other videos where I've resurfaced the whole sides. I put in new shelving. So even though they weren't custom built originally, they're getting to be custom built gradually. Okay, the drawer should be good to go. Let's go put the silverware back in.